fine. And I'm gonna cure for 60 seconds. Make sure you apply enough transfer foil. Do not doing it too thin. Just give it enough, so because some of the foil is thicker, like the texture of it thicker than the other, but it's gonna transfer everything. For April, hello, Kick and Sweet, thank you. Yeah, April, yes, so that's why I said show the ombre. Oh, thanks so much, Nuna. I appreciate you so much. Yes, if you know any of the bestie or the friends would like to, you know, like hanging out with us, learn some cool techniques, simple, quick, easy for your salons when you get chance to get, like we'll all get chance to get back, so we'll get all the cool different idea and techniques in. Marcy, hello Marcy. Thank you so much. Remember to using code Vicky JVI. The Vicky VICKIJ to receive a free shipping of $79.99. Oh hey everyone, like he polished his nails for me. Did you do that?
Yeah, I did. This one too.
But look at this, he didn't clean the cuticle. The cuticles got messed up.
Another pound. Not to blame.
Okay, all right. So I'm gonna using that and just apply right there.
It's already on.
I accidentally
Well, you gotta rub it.
just touch so close. So okay, wish me luck, because you make sure exact where you want to place them, because when they stick you can't take them out because they already stick in there. I think I should be fine.
Put it too close, getting that.
Sorry, Facebook. What happened to Facebook?
Too hot. Seems too close.
Oh.
Yeah, keep it up a bit.
Facebook, hang on tight, okay? Technical difficulty. So we got. Probably I didn't get the glue transfer foil there, but it's okay because we want to put some crystal on it. Yep, it's transfer, and then here's that is the eye hole transfer foil. Just want to make sure you apply your transfer foil is good enough, and also you keep it under LED light for 60 seconds. The premiums you keep for 30 seconds. All right, so I am going to using eye hole condensed glue gels. It's really thick density. You can tell, like if I move it upside down, it stays in one place. It doesn't go anywhere. Just a smaller amount, and usually like if you know exact where you want to place your crystal, you can just apply in that spot only. But sometimes some cases you'll see that how I try to doing that where I supposed to, and I always end up doing more than I supposed to, and then I don't know you are related like that, but I always find myself to add more instead of like remove. Thank you, Karen. Thank you, Artistic. Thank you, ladies. Hey, Foxy. All right, so I am going to place a no wipe top coat right on the top. Just floating techniques. And this one, if you want, you can do crystals on this one, or you can do
Say hello back to Facebook.
Hi Facebook, sorry we was have a little bit of technical difficulty. I'm just want to show you for if you're first time tuning in. This is I'm having on my side right here because it didn't have enough space. I am using several shapes out of our anniversary kit, and is stunning. It has so many different crystals in there. 20 compartments, and each of them have full size of crystal jars in there, except what there's two mix glow in the dark mega mix at different sizes and different colors, and then crystal color mix. It had different sizes and different colors, and all of them are full size. I just want to show it because you was wondering why did you what is she doing and getting out from. And special for you, we did it customized, special made it for you because of you. We are here, and from bottom of our heart, thank you so much for the love and support. I'm trying to see what should I doing, so that's why it's just. And then today's the last day for that special price, and okay, I got this one, maybe that one. Okay, let's see if I have. So I'm picking like a white opal, which is really awesome. This is one of like, and just for your information, all 20 different shape and compartments is the most the best selling shapes all the time. That's why we put it together, and it's special for you. It's so easy to work with, and the shape is perfect, so then you can do with any combinations of. I'm gonna put this in here, give it a little bit press. Can you see me from here? I should do it earlier, but then we have a little bit issue with Facebook, so that's why. Give it a little bit press. This is the bender. I freaking love this. All right. Hi, Tony. How are you? Sorry. Thank you so much for tuning back in. No more need to wear sunglasses while watching Nancy at night. I'm gonna put this frame right there. And doesn't matter, you can do it this way. Or you can move it up higher. I really love like when you bend this and it's just blending it really nice. So what should we do? I don't know, I really like see if we can put some glow in the dark color. Maybe down here. Just cover me, give it a little bit contrast. But you know, usually have really great idea to doing a lot of cool things. Please share with us. We would love to see your beautiful work. This is thing that I really like is several different colors here. I love this because you know why? It's really awesome when the clients is going out, like doing in the morning times, like their crystal chalks under the solar, and then when they get back inside is glow in the dark. Really stunning. It's really simple, right, everyone? It's just so simple, easy, quick. So it's something you can really take care and approaching the clients when we get back to our regular routine. Somehow I got missed. What happened? What have I done? Okay, move it back. And I'll replace some. This is from one of the compartments and that kits I take Alright, let me fill in with some beads. You can do 1, 2, 3, however you would like to. Who's that, Foxy? Did you able to send me the recipes for mango cheesecakes? I'm dying waiting, or maybe I didn't get chance to check the messages. If you send, I'm so sorry. Because we will get ready. If I get recipe for Isabella, she's gonna do it. She's excited. Thanks for sharing. I know Livars is really good cook. I can tell from she's like doing really good cooking. I'm not a good cook though. I can cook if I have to. Vicky always teasing me, said, "You cook, Nancy?" I be honest, I didn't know how to, but when I went to college, be away from my parents and my mom's, like I have to learn how to doing it. Thanks so much, Tony. That we're just talking earlier. If you see the nails earlier, I'm gonna show. Just give me 1 second. I'll show you in just a second. We did the one of animal prints. What is that? Holos animal prints that we did, and like everybody said, oh, I really like that color. So maybe the next time the nail's gonna be in that color. But thanks so much. I really like this. It's like really subtle for me, like seeing it. But I think the gold metals and crystal is really like make it like a bright up. I see some of them right there. I really want it. Should I? No, I shouldn't. I thought so, but no. I did this one on purpose because I like it like that. To just show you a different way you can do and approaching it. It doesn't have to be necessary right in the frame, just being off a frame. As long as it doesn't hurt it. I think it's good. I put one more beads right there. And now we can cure this cute nails. It's still so you can still see the ombre of cheetahs right there. Or if you're doing this hot pink on this side, looks good. Or even you're doing like a green, teal, or purple, it looks cute as well. Today we have really cool content for all of you who a lot of you were asking for that. Thank you, Exposed, to create. This was 2 nails that we did, and we using this chamfer foil, iHo chamfer foil gel. So a lot of you were asking for this, and this is I doing special. The reason like a lot of you ask why I never seen me. Well, if I'm at the salon, I was using this with the clients as well, alternate it back and forth because it depends on how busy and how the clients gotta go. So like a lot of time I using it in a live video because then it cures 30 seconds really fast. And the others in the white bottle chamfer foil, it cures 60 seconds. So there's only a different, and then cures 60 seconds under really a proper LED lamp. Thank you so much, Nuna. I'm glad you like it. So this is 2 nails earlier we did. So if you missed it, you can always be watching them from our story time on Instagram. So as usual, I always repeating it because this is really a key to help the clients feel so comfortable wearing this beautiful crystal placement, as well as a lot of other accessory on their nails, is to keep the crystal stay in nice place and it's not gonna catching on their hair and their clothes, or if